All right, so here is the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So let's peel off this wrapping paper right here. And looking at the box, it's a really nice box. You have the Adventure Combo there. So let's just go ahead and open the box. It opens up just like this, and there's two little boxes in here. They're definitely getting more environmentally friendly. And then also you have the selfie pull right down here. All right, so go ahead and open the Osmo Action 4 box here. Opens just like that. And you have your camera and you have the housing. So we'll take the wrapping off of the camera. It has a little lens cover right here. We'll pull that thing off. You have a screen on the front that is touchscreen. And it's got a beautiful 1/1.3 inch sensor, which looks great. Also, and within that housing, 2.8 there are some other accessories and a wide 155-degree field of view. Looking around on this thing, it feels really nice in your hands. And let's just go ahead and open this part right here. This is the housing. We have two screw thread mounts and an action mount with adhesive on the bottom. So you can put this on like your helmet or something like that. It's curved. And we have the magnetic mount that will go to your selfie stick or some of those other action mounts. And when you click it on, you think that maybe, it's not secure, but it is really secure. And so here is like the housing. So it just kind of, gives it a little bit more durability here. It opens up just like that. And then you can just slide your camera right through. Just look where the recording button is and it helps. So you have all the access to the buttons and it just clips in like that, super easy. And so yeah, there's the bottom base mount so you can do portrait mode shots. But you can also still access that main mount as well. The selfie pull, let's take this thing out of the wrapping here. They have a really good, solid selfie stick. I actually like this selfie stick a lot. It's got the action mount built into it, which is great, so it won't be turning around. It also goes out really far, and it's smooth too. You just pull it out. There's a quarter thread on the bottom. And let's just go ahead and open up this other box right here. This is the accessories box, which comes with the Adventure Combo. We have the battery case, which is a great fast charging battery case. And it actually comes with 3 batteries, which is awesome because then you can pop this one into your action camera and it works. It's a very slim design and you plug it in right there, and it also works as a power bank. It comes with the cable for it as well, so you can plug this in. And they also include another action mount that goes to that magnetic mount. You also have DJI stickers. You have some little manuals and how to use it and how to get started and all of that stuff right there. Then there's this right here. This is like a lens cap. If you want to put the cap on your lens, but without any glass in front of it, which might actually work well if, if you didn't want any like light streaks or things like that, but it's probably good to keep that guard on. Anyway, that is the Action 4 with the Adventure Combo. I just wanted to share the unboxing experience for you. But it is a camera that I highly recommend, and thanks for watching.